Chapter 1. Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. Borbor Complex. The Borbor Complex CP9, which also springs from Saribu Gajah, has occurred in the southern Chester region in the environs of Lake Toba, and its marga have maintained themselves with difficulty in the regions of the Sumatra groups. One hears of many expulsions such as, for example, that of the Sipahutang marga from the territory of the same by the Poran marga Silitonga, which still lives there, for B, and of the marga Pasaribu, which had villages in Silinong from which it was driven by the ancestors of the Hasibuan group that inhabits the whole valley to the present day. Apparently, the only fixed base has been Haunatas in 5, from which place some territory centers of Isagan were occupied and from where Harahap went to the Angola region 14C. This Haramaga, which occupies central Angola, has also settled in central Padang Lawas, Padang Bola 14B. Water marga belonging to the Borbor Complex are to be found in South Angola 14D, Dolok 14A, South Sibolga 15, and Apek Bagus 12A. And as far as I know, the marga Lubis, the last ruling marga in South Silindung 14E, is reckoned as belonging to it. There is much divergence in the statement concerning the genealogy and the dispersals of this complex.